that told claims 200 in Iraq has protest spread. Iraq Sunni coalition suspends parliament activities. Iraq Sadr call his bloc to suspend parliament work. Arab League calls for dialogue to end Iraq protest. Terrorist attacks injure 16 civilians in northern Syria. Syrian opposition forces unite under defense ministry. UAE-backed forces seize security headquarters in Yemen's Socotra. US deploys hundreds of truckloads of equipment in Syria. Bangladesh and India likely to discuss Rohingya and water issues. 100 from Pakistan to march toward Kashmir border. Pakistan warns retaliation if India launches strike. India, 49 booked for writing letter to Modi on lynching.